Hello, I'm Katie and this is Kaylee and we're going to bring you behind the scenes at ICANMAKESHOES. So Kaylee was just setting up to film the Halloween collab, which has just come out, go watch it. And then Kakila is always super busy packaging up all the orders. This is just a last order, but there have been sneaker kits, shoemaking kits, books, the works. So she's always busy packaging them up. You can just see how many parcels there are. And then our stamp for our Halloween collab with Metallic Elephant arrived. And then Amanda is really busy at prototyping bags for I Can Make Bags at the moment. So make sure you're following I Can Make Bags because there's some really exciting things going on over there. And then, the cutest dog has been roaming the hallways at the moment. So it's always good to have a little cuddle break. And then it's back to editing content for me. And then Kaylee has been busy prepping everything for our next in-person workshop. And then Victoria filmed some content around these sexy Mrs. Claus shoes, which you might recognize if you've been here for a while. And then it's back to packing up orders, editing content, making shoes. That's just a little taste of what goes on behind the scenes at ICANMAKESHOES.